That's for the Parlec. We just opened up that thing. Clamping. Yeah, there you go. Center thing. Knockout. Making it go up and down. Lights are on. Beautiful. Here's the monitor.
Back and forth there.
Oh yeah, back and forth. Wow, that's a giant tool right there, huh?
Sure what that does, but
Yep, and the labeler works. What'd you do? You push the button on that? Yeah, indexes paper. Here's the screen is on. And we don't know how to work the computer end of it, but we got the password sheet here. New software. Runs beautiful. Here's a video of the second Parlec. Alright, Joe and I here are going to do this video again. Alright, go ahead, Joe, do your thing. Oh, yeah. Nice. Yeah, a little ejector of some kind. Moving the tower in towards us. Computer is computing down here.
this all works. Yeah, we're not connecting in there. Everything's working.
Label printer on this one as well. Password sheet. Instructions. So I saw you pass your hand through the screen and it got lighter and darker. Yeah, so see, I gotta turn this sideways. So when you stick your hand, you can't see. You stick. Yeah, you stick your hand in there. I'll take a video of you doing it. I can't get close to both. So if you put, yeah, there's a bit on there, it'll measure the bit. Here. Want something?
Let's see what they run with.
Yeah. So beautiful. Work, everything works.
See the dial for measure, Joe?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it's got a measurement dial they're doing.
Yeah. That's all working.